This package just came into the shop. Alright, so it's a pretty old package here, pretty old tape. Ooh, roll that open. Okay. There's a ball. Like a 44 caliber lead ball. You know what? Let's get a tray for this. Oh, I could tell you right now, that's like a 69 or a 70. Yeah, that's nice. It's in great shape. That's another big one, another 69 or a 70. This one looks steel. Yeah, look at that. That's a steel ball. Okay, anything else in here? No, just some dust. Alright, so we have a length of, it's like just shy of 6.5. Let's see. And we've got a width on the blade of just over 2, so 2.09. And the pommel end, or the pipe end, interesting, we're looking at just under an inch, 0.92. So I could have the ability to make replicas of this shape. Okay, it's a really, really cool shape. So we're going to go ahead and trace that.